Hi beauties, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to create everyday brown eyeshadow makeup look. So if you want to know more about it, please keep watching the full video. But before that, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss an update whenever I post a video. I'll be testing a viral hack as well in this video. So without any further delay, let's begin. Here I am applying pressed powder before the foundation, as I have seen in several videos. Foundation that I am using is full coverage foundation from Bobbi Brown, and I am evenly spreading the foundation to all over my face using a beauty blender. The concealer that I am using is from Bobbi Brown, and again it's a full coverage concealer. I am applying it to my usual areas wherever I have patches or I want to highlight. For contouring, I am using cream contour from Stay Quirky. And again I am applying it to my usual areas like my nose, my cheekbones, my forehead, wherever I like to contour. For my blush, I am using lip and cheek color in shade Pink Blush from Lakme. Now I am blending it using my finger. For my concealer and contour, I am using my beauty blender. Now I'm using translucent powder to the areas wherever I have applied the concealer. It helps to set it on place and last it longer. And again setting everything on place using my beauty blender. Now I'm using a powder blush from Colorbar. Now I'm using pressed powder to mattify the look, and the pressed powder which I'm using is from Colorbar. Coming to my eyes, I'm using a peachy shade to create my crease. Next, I'm using a brown shade which I'm gonna apply to all over my eyelid. Keep blending until you get the desired result. Now using a dark brown shade which I am applying to my outer V to create a smoky effect. Now I am taking shimmery golden shade from the palette called Artistic to create a soft cut crease. The eye pencil that I am using is from Himalaya, and I am applying it very closely to my upper lashes. Don't worry about the shape because we are gonna blend it anyway. With the help of a small precise brush, I am blending it out. Whatever has left on the brush, using that only to apply to my lower lash line and blending it out. And applying a nude pencil to my waterline. Curling my eyelashes using eyelash curler from Vega and applying a coat of mascara from Colorbar. Highlighting my brow bone and inner corner using highlighter from Maybelline, and lastly applying falsies to complete the look. I've done my other eye very quickly off the camera. Highlighter that I'm using is from Maybelline in shade Molten Gold. For outlining my lips, I'm using lip pencil from Color Essence. For the lipstick, I am using a nude brown shade from Stay Quirky. All the products that I have used in this video is mentioned in the description box below, so don't forget to check it. If you enjoyed watching this video, give it a big thumbs up and share your thoughts with me by commenting below. I love you guys so much and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye.